So let's have a look at another type of JavaScript injection. So what we'll do is we'll just start up Burp Suite. And we'll set the web browser up to have a proxy. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll just access this page here. Okay, so it's going to do a password generator for this user who's anonymous, and then we'll capture it here. Okay, that's it coming through now. Okay, so here's the request. So what we'll do is that we'll have a look at that in our repeater. Okay, so we'll go ahead and just we have the right target. Yep. Okay, so there's the response back. So if we want, we could copy that. And put it into a comparator. We'll get it in a little minute. But what we'll do is we'll send a canary. And then we'll have a look at the response that comes back. Okay, so we'll copy that one. And then we'll go back here. And then we'll copy the response here. Okay, so those are different responses, and then we'll compare the words. There we go. So the 6 differences. So we actually see that the difference, if we can search for canary, so that's our anonymous one, and then we should be able to find our canary. There it's there. Okay, so what we can do here, because that the word has just gone straight through, is that we can now replace this part. We can terminate the string, and then we can put a catch after it, and then put a try to be able to inject the JavaScript in there. Okay, so I'll just copy this from here. Okay, so if we insert that string, then that will actually modify the code to end that string, and then for us to get this alert box to come up. So what we do is we'll take that. Okay, it probably won't go through if we just put it straight in. So what we must do is to go to our decoder, and then we want to encode as a URL, and there we are. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is to be able to open up. Well, it doesn't really matter. We can repeat from Burp Suite here, and now we can make the user name this, and then inject that. and then when we render we should be able to get a pop-up box there. So let's check that we have that in place. We'll go back and have a look at our browser. Okay, we can feed that through. And there we go. Isn't that magic? Okay, so that's allowed us to be able to modify the JavaScript code to be able to get the it to display the box. But obviously Anatruda can do much more than that.